Why do we do what we do, and how can we do it better? My name is Vic Moore. I'm the president of Coil Cleaning Solutions. Our expertise is coils and cleaning coils only. We provide this service for three important reasons. One, energy efficiency. Two, to maximize equipment lifespan. And lastly, providing a safe work environment for employees and members with a patented disinfectant process. Our sister company, Bridges, has provided air filter services to Costco for over 20 years. This proven track record shows we are a trusted service provider. The equipment we service includes refrigeration such as produce and dairy coolers, meat and service deli prep rooms, D17, and overstock coolers. Most important and often neglected is the air-cooled condensing coils on the roof. We would also provide this service for your rooftop air conditioning units. Our state-of-the-art equipment is compact, portable, and can be operated by a single technician. Our goal is to make the smallest possible impact on your operations. We use PlanGrid software to create detailed documentation of our coil cleaning services. These reports can be used as a reference in the future and used as a tool that can be easily shared with other employees for better accuracy and accountability. In these reports, we can clearly see where equipment is located, when equipment was serviced, the procedure that was performed, and before and after pictures. Our process is designed to contain, capture, and remove all water and byproduct due to cleaning. We know Costco takes great pride in providing quality products for customers and a clean and safe working environment for team members. That's why Coil Cleaning Solutions' #1 priority is to maintain cleanliness in the fresh line. What we have found is that overcleaning from employees, most times they hit a hose on the outside of the coil, pushing the dirt to the inner of the coil. You have to physically lower the pan to find the debris inside. So we drop the pan and clean the coil from the inside out. When a layer of dirt and debris collects on refrigeration HVAC coils, it acts as an insulator that interferes with the transfer of heat. When these coils can't do their job efficiently, your unit runs hotter, longer, and with higher pressure in order to provide the same level of cooling. In some cases, high levels of sulfur and soot can even cause corrosion of the condenser coil tubes, leading to failure of the unit and loss of product. Did you know that only 1/100th of an inch of dirt buildup on refrigeration and HVAC coils reduces its efficiency by 5%. If your refrigeration and HVAC coils have not been serviced in a while, the buildup of dirt and debris on the coils could be increasing your electric costs by as much as 20 to 30%. We use a hot water system to provide a degree of cleanliness to disinfect coils. We use a product that's effective on a broad spectrum of microorganisms. Clean coils permit equipment to operate as designed, ultimately reducing utility costs and emissions. Our goal is to help Costco operate efficiently, extend the lifetime of equipment, and provide a safe and clean environment. Thank you for your time and consideration. You can also check us out on the ccsinc.com or give us a call at 714-313-6029.